people, welcome to my channel. This is Deg Beauty. Guys, this head wrap is very simple. I call it 2 minutes head wrap. You can achieve this head wrap with any fabric, any material that you have, but let the material be long. Let it be long. Short material, you cannot achieve it to get that twisting. Yes, you divide the material into 50-50 equal, and start from the back. You knot and make sure the knot, you tight it at the front, very tight, knot it. Yes, guys, you can use any fabric. My mother, she is tired because, guys, she helped me. I use her to do like more than 15 head wrap styles. She is tired. Yes, God bless her for me. Okay, go to my YouTube channel. You will see different hairstyle. Enjoy and leave your comment down below. Share to your friends and family. Maybe they will as well love the video. Thank you. This hair wrap, you can use it for your English outfit, your traditional outfit. Any outfit can go. Okay, guys, I have many videos that will help you. I always do live on my Facebook. In case you are watching me from YouTube, I do live on my Facebook, teaching them how to apply makeup step by step. Because these days I don't upload videos of makeup on my YouTube channel. I observe that people prefer head wrap gele than makeup videos. That is the reason if I want to do any makeup video, I always go to my Facebook. My Facebook name is Deg Beauty, same as my YouTube name, Deg Beauty. Instagram, Deg Beauty. Thank you. This is the end. Yes, very easy. She's ready to go. With makeup on her face, after makeup on her face, she will look popping. Bye.